Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 5th of August 2022. Let's take a look at crypto markets today. How have they been moving? Heading in a positive direction, it must be said. Bitcoin has had around 6 down days in a row now. You can see here a sea of red, but today we have been moving to the upside and not too far away now from pushing back towards that 24k handle. On the downside, we've got to be aware of 21,367, which is the 50-day moving average, but we haven't quite met that level. I was still looking for another small leg to the downside and get towards the channel bottom and that 50-day moving average. They were coming in together quite nicely. I thought the sellers would target that, but we are bid today, it would seem. Litecoin currently ticking at 62.22 overhead. We've got to get through resistance at 64.65 if we're going to make it up into the 70s. Ripple, we're currently trading at 0.3745. Overhead, you can see we've got that move back into 0.3870 on the cards. We've got a big rejection there last time, slowly ticking towards that level. Ethereum has got more open interest on its options contracts than Bitcoin, and that's for the first time, so that's quite interesting. Is Ethereum going to start taking advantage of that, let's say, and leading the way in the crypto space? We've known Bitcoin for quite some time being the market leader, but have we got Ethereum now, which could be making moves to the upside? And we can see here, I did suggest, can we be able to put in a significant high low around the 1550? And it looks like we've got that so far. So good. I was suggesting, can we use this area here as a nice platform for a move higher? They have been able to. The sellers weren't able to push us lower, and it now seems there are enough buyers here to move the market higher and take another leg up. Now we've got to get through this resistance. If we can get through that, we can start making inroads towards the 2000 handle. That's a wrap on today's session brief. I'll see you all inside the chat. Till next time, all the best with your trading and bye for now.